Okay, Tank and I are at the vet, the pet clinic here in Ocean Springs. He is having issues with the back leg and his nails. Got his nails, they need to be cut. Also, he's full of cancer, so I'm hoping that it's a sand spur under the paw that's causing him not wanting to put his foot down on the ground all the time, and it's kind of weak. He's having trouble getting in and out of going up or down stairs, and in and out of the car. He's having a really hard time waiting. He knows that when he goes to the vet, he goes right into the building, and he can smell all these smells from all the other animals. But yeah, no, he's having a little bit of anxiety about being here. We gotta wait our turn. They do come out here masked up. We cannot go in. I cannot go in when he goes in to be seen, which is hard because I need to explain things. So I don't know what they're gonna do. Okay, so the way they do it is they have you wait either in your car or out here on the bench where I'm at and where Tank's at, and we just wait. And when it's our turn, it's our turn. They got Tank. They took him in. I explained what was needed, what was happening. They're going to send the vet out to discuss the plan as to how we're going to treat Tank today. So I'll just wait on the vet. It's hot, so I'm going to sit in the car. So here in the bathroom inside of the pet clinic, well, Tank is getting his shots, and after we're all done here, we're going to head back. He's going to be exhausted. All right. Okay, so we got finished with the pet clinic. It is a full-service clinic, veterinary hospital. Wonderful staff. Dr. May is spectacular. I recommend her highly. Her staff, especially Christine, they were extremely helpful. Getting him in and out of the vehicle was difficult, but they were a huge help. Tanky, you're doing all right. They put him on heartworm, and they put him on, of course, flea and tick. They made sure that all of his shots were up to date. There is blood work that is to be considered right now because of the cancer and how many masses he has. He's still got quite a bit of life, and we have to make the decision later, if the quality of life has been expired. So, as to what we should do. Yeah, there's a bee. He's a bee chaser. He loves to chase bees. So, yeah. Anyway, we're now leaving to go. Oh, I thought the bee was in here. We're now leaving to go back to Mazalia and, leaving him a good treat. All right. Until next time. Okay, we are trying it again. We're going out in our kayaks, as you can see. Just waiting for Rob to catch up. He's got his kayak over there. Oh, missing it. Hi everyone, we're here behind the Island View Hotel in the Biloxi River, And my husband and I are both taking a kayak trip. He's fishing. I'm relaxing, of course. And anytime you're gonna relax, you're gonna need a beer, right? I'm telling you. I thought maybe I would record some of the things that, the pleasantries that we're actually seeing. So I'm just kind of kicking back. I saw birds feed, and my husband is fishing. He caught a fish, not big enough to keep. I believe it was a spotted trout, but it was not big enough to keep.
Ooh, little drummy.
Yay!
Not big enough to keep though, I don't think. A little drummy. He ain't legal, no way. It's got to be 18. And I would say he's probably not legal.
I don't know if you've seen that or if the sun was in your eyes. I can't tell.
You came out of nowhere that first time. Said you were too tired to walk the line. I said then hold up, precious. I can be a goldsmith and you a nomad or a tailor, and we don't have to follow the rules. Oh, I can do anything when I look at you. Oh, I believe everything to be true. Oh, every little bit of my heart lights up. Oh, can you please tell it to never stop? Now my worried mind seems to fall behind, and I can find time to reflect on where we're headed. The sky's not the limit when I have you by my side. Oh, we can run mad, be free falling, and yet be glad. Oh, I can do anything when I look at you. Oh, I believe everything to be true. Oh, every